Hi and welcome to my channel. And today's video is just my everyday eyebrow routine. So it's very easy, simple, just purple eyebrows. So if that interests you, just keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Okay, so first things first, I use this Urban Decay 24/7 glide on eye pencil. Sorry, someone was walking by, it distracted me. And then I just go in with a flat liner brush. This one's just from Eco Tools. And I just like kind of dab some of this off onto the brush. And I'll kind of like put some off on my hand if I need to, if I got too much. And then I will just go in and I lied to you. I kind of brush with this eyebrow slash comb. So I'll just brush my eyebrows straight up. And then just go in with this. And I'll start about halfway through. And then I will just start to fill in the brow. And now I have pretty full brows. If you have brows that are kind of sparse, you're gonna have to fill in a lot more, obviously, but I just go in and just use the leftover at the front here, and I kind of go do a line at the top and bottom, and then just take the brush sideways and kind of brush in like that. I mean, I like my eyebrows pretty dark. You don't have to do yours this dark. Just use less product and do, smaller amounts at a time until you get your desired look. I like to go with a full, crazy, kind of dark brow. Okay, so once I have that, I'll get a little bit more of this product off the back of my hand. And I kind of like to go here at the top because, I have very, it looks like I'm kind of sighing, so I like to go over the top like so and kind of give myself a little bit more of an arch. And I normally do my brows first just so I can go in and fix the parts I don't like without fucking up my whole makeup. Okay, so there's one brow. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one and then I will show you guys the next step. So then all I do is just go straight in with the brow gel. This is old, it doesn't have any words on it at the bottom still, but this is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And then I'll just go in with this and just brush up. And then I'll come through and kind of brush up and over like that. Okay, that's all I do. It's nothing too exciting or special. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching.